Alright guys, so these next first clips are going to be about, as we know, wheat harvest is started, as the title said. So yeah, put a few clips in. I was trying to talk through it, but I shouldn't have done that. Now you can't hear me over the combine, so that didn't really help. So if you hear me talking, it's just me being dumb, saying dumb things. But yeah, stay tuned. Hope you liked the video, and subscribe. Alright guys, 2023, harvest is starting. Maybe we'll finally be able to get in the field and dry it up enough. See if we can get some of this wheat cut. Don't know if I'll be out here videoing a lot, but I'll try to get what I can. What happened? Oh, okay. Okay, I don't know what's going on. I think we've been fooled. It's not started yet. Alright, well, we got it fixed. Figured out what it was. There was a pulley that had no belts on it. We needed to put the belts on the pulley. So maybe now we won't get psyched out this time and we'll actually get some wheat cut. Let's get this done. We've been waiting a long time. Alright. Let's see if we can get it now. He's probably setting his rotor speed and everything right now to make sure it's doing a good job when it harvests and separates the grain from all the stubble and everything good. So, might give him a second and then we'll hit off on this wheat and get some cut. This is what we've been waiting for. It's been a minute since we've seen the combine, that's for sure. Like I said, this wheat looks good, but that's right there. It's laid over. That water and rain and everything that came through, it laid it over, but maybe we'll get to this wheat. We're gonna get what we can. Oh, here we go. The grain cart for the shot right now, so. little party thing. But we should be out here tomorrow. I don't know if I will, but Tyler probably will. I might be working on the picker. There'll be a video videos coming out about that too, so stay tuned. Wheat harvest has started. All right, guys. Like I said, we're gonna have videos coming out about the cotton picker. So right here we got some bars, spindles, everything on them. Right now we've cleaned them all up and everything. There are four drums. This is for a machine, so it has 8 drums. We've cleaned them all up, or cleaned four drums up, so we're halfway cleaned up. And everything. We put the bottom 8. We replaced the actual spindle piece. You can see it, actual spindle. And the 9th hole, we put a whole new spindle in, whole new bushing and everything. So when we put the micrometer or whatever it is here to measure them, that it measures them all evenly and everything, so we can shim it right. We got to put our doffers in, our moisten pads in. This is one of them we finished, so you can see it. That's one of them, and here's where this is the bar where all the spindles are gonna go right here. Another one. This one has the doffers in it still. The doffers are good. This one still has doffers in it. It needs to be cleaned out. It's still really dirty in here. This is start. We didn't get any of these out. These are all still dirty and in there and need to be gone through and everything. There's another one. Another one. We got the last one on this end. But yeah. So keep posting. Stay tuned. We're gonna be working on this. There you go. Alright, so right now we're cleaning some parts that go to it. This is pieces to assemble the bar and everything. So this right here is one of the bolts on the top that hold the bar. I don't know what you would call it, but like holding it in the drum and everything. So that way it doesn't fall out, so that helps a little bit. Then we got this piece right here. This is just a stud that's gonna go in the bottom. And it's kind of what the bar is gonna pivot on, because it pivots a little bit when it goes around the cam track and everything. So this helps it pivot and everything. This one is a little worn out. It's got a groove cut in it. So we got some new ones. Just clean this up just in case we need it. And then we got, these are just some shims that go in the bottom underneath that stud or pivot. And it just shims it because whatever you put it in, like I said, that 9th hole, we're gonna use that micrometer or whatever and measure it to make sure that each one is in like 0.06 millimeter or something. I don't remember off the top of my head. And you gotta shim them to make them each bar even with each other. Or like making sure they're pretty close and even. So that's why we need these. We got new ones, so I don't know if we'll use these, but just clean them up. Yeah. Then we got these bolts. This little bolt here. It holds the stud in on the bottom of the bar, and that just holds it in place on the bottom so it doesn't get kicked out the side of the bottom of the drum. So, yeah. You can start another video.